southeastern Oklahoma, northeastern Love County in southern Oklahoma, southeastern Murray County in southern Oklahoma, southeastern Carter County in southern Oklahoma, until 3:30 a.m. At 12:27 a.m., Doppler radar indicated heavy rain from Ardmore to east of Springer. 2 to 3 inches of rain have already fallen. Some locations that will experience flooding include Ardmore, Dixon, G-Notby, Overbrook, and Lake Murray. Additional rainfall amounts of 2 inches are possible in the warned area. This includes the following streams and drainages: Sand Branch, Royal Creek, Bullhead Creek, Fort Hollow Creek, Big Branch, Wilson Creek, Spring Branch, Sand Creek, Washita River, Wolf Creek, Furt Mountain Creek, Bee Branch, Deadman Branch, Hickory Creek, Rock Creek, Little Hickory Creek, Cool Creek, Mill Creek, Pumpkin Creek, Red River, and Caddo Creek. Move to higher ground now. Act quickly to protect your life. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding.